Alright everyone, welcome back. Worked on a few things today, including this pipe right here going through the floor. So what we had to do was move this box every which direction to get it out of the way. First we unstrapped it here. This is just temporary. Should be disappearing in a few days. But had to first pull it off the wall and then pull it forward to mount this box right here. So it's just resting against that right now. So I mounted this box first we kind of got the pipe installed, got the pair hangers there to hold the pipe at the right depth that we wanted, about 4 inches to go in between these two fire pipes. I'll show you that in a second. And then we mounted the box last and basically just drilled a hole. I can't really show you that right now, but there's the connector right there, and just kind of drilled it as close as we could, try to get as center as possible of the column right there, which didn't really work out because this pipe is 4 inches off the wall and the edge of that box would need to have been 4 inches off the wall, so it would have been halfway out of the box. So just did as close as we could and then lined it up, and then that's where the box is going. So basically just have to, I think that's metal down there, some type of rigid 90. So we're gonna unscrew that tomorrow, that PVC probably, and then screw in a 2-inch rigid coupling, and then go EMT right into that box, which might be tricky now that the box is mounted. There's not much play, so we'll have to figure that out, maybe fudge it within the screws right there or whatnot. So anyways, we'll figure it out one way or the other. And so yeah, I'll show you this here real quick. So basically just a 90 out of the top, 45, and then a 90 up. I can't really see that, but there's a little gap right there, about a ½ an inch between the top of this pipe, and then between the top of that, there should be like an inch above that. So, because they're gonna have to wrap these pipes with some type of wrapping or whatever. So, trying to give them as much room as possible, but kind of stuck here with this 90 going through the ceiling, which would have been like I use for a shepherd's hook or whatever, but not really possible with 2-inch EMT. But anyways, or an LB would have been nice. But anyways, so what we got going. If they need to fix it later, we'll fix it. But that's what we got right now, and then I'll go show you what else we worked on for the rest of the day up in the stairwells. Alright guys, if you remember the lighting stairwell, you never saw it probably on top, but there was a pipe sticking out of the ceiling on this side, pipe sticking out of the ceiling on this side. They just put the roof in, so worked on connecting that with Nick. So I had Nick crawl up on the roof, safety harness, all that good stuff. So he connected those two together with just some 3/4 Smurf tube, because it was already sticking out in the Smurf tube. So just put the connectors on, put the pipe together, and then pulled the wire through it from there to there. So I'll probably have to install those lights in the morning, as you can see right there. Re-pulled this wire because last time we did it, when I went to put this light together, gravity took some of the wire with it and it left it really short. So now we'll have plenty of wire upstairs. So just have to reconnect this basically backwards. Can either unplug it or not, probably won't, but I'm gonna basically hook this light up over here with these wires, hook that light up above, and then lastly connect it so everything is live at the same time. Because if you hook it up here live, then it's gonna be live up there, and then you have to work that one hot, and then you have to work that one hot. So if you just work backwards, work that one dead, work that one dead, and then connect it last, then everything comes on at the same time, and you only have to work one circuit or one light hot at the same time. So work one hot instead of 3, save yourself some time. And then basically did the same thing on the other stairwell across. If you can see it right over there, there's another one over on the other side. So had Nick get up there as well, connect those. And so that was that. Pulled the wire through the other side as well, from that side to this light, and then I think we also pulled it down to this location as well, right across there. So that should wrap it up for today's video. Might go drive by the house later, see if they got anything done, windows or anything, maybe not, but we'll see. Maybe I'll get a delivery for siding, but that should do it, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Check the description for anything else. Drop a comment if you got any questions, concerns, likes, dislikes, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks, guys. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.